Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing these cornflakes I got in the mail. Ordered them online from the cornflakes website. As you can see, I ordered the Spanish version. We have the bird, which is the mascot of the cornflakes. This nice logo here. I like this logo with the corn sticking out. You see this? This is really nice. These are the cornflakes. Now, these strawberries are not included, unfortunately. I had to pay extra and stuff, and with shipping it was going to be crazy, so I just went with a basic model. So anyway, this is Kellogg's. This is the brand that you can get it from. And here, if we turn the box around, we have, again, the Spanish version of the story of Kellogg's. Pretty cool. You see the guy, the inventor here. And you have other stuff like this box of toasted cornflakes and this corn and this picture of children at the breakfast table. Here, there's an astronaut. How cool is that? Anyway, so without further ado, it's time to open up this bad boy. All right, I don't want to be too, I want to mess up what's inside, so I don't want to be too mean with it. There we go. And here we go. All right. Check it out, man. Cornflakes. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at them at the light. They're so beautiful. Oh. Check it out, man. Listen to the sound, YouTube. Listen to the sound. Isn't that the best sound? Anyway, we're not done, though. We got to open this, too. Right, here we go. Sorry about that. All right. Oh, this is close up on the goodies right here. Oh man, check it out. Oh yeah. All right, time to try one of these. Oh. It's really good. Great consistency, great flavor, even for the basic model. Like I said, I got the non-strawberry one. Definitely recommend this product. Go to the website and order it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.